Okay, the President of India has recently appointed 3 additional judges to the Andhra Pradesh High Court. So for a UPSC aspirant, the names are not that much important, but we need to more focus on our constitutional concepts. Let's quickly understand who are these additional judges and why do we need them. According to Article 224 Clause 1 of the Constitution, the President of India can appoint a qualified person as an additional judge of a High Court. Here, qualified person means he must possess the qualifications as a High Court judge, and he must be a citizen of India and either 10 years of experience in a judicial office or 10 years practice as an advocate. You must remember one point here: the Supreme Court of India doesn't have additional judges. And look at the tenure of additional judges: 2 years at a time or 62 years. What is the retirement age of a High Court judge? 62 years, right? So he cannot continue beyond the retirement age. Now, why do we need additional judges? We know that in courts, plenty of cases are pending, right? So instead of increasing permanent judges, we appoint additional judges to tackle increase in the workload and to clear backlog of cases. And what is the status of additional judges? Same as a High Court judge. Remember this. He enjoys the same powers and jurisdictions as a permanent judge. Now, please don't confuse between additional judges of a High Court and ad hoc judges of a High Court. Here, ad hoc means for a specific purpose. According to Article 224A of the Constitution, here A means it was added by the 15th Constitutional Amendment Act in 1963. Actually, this provision was removed in 1956, but again reintroduced. So, according to this article, the Chief Justice of a High Court can request a retired judge of a High Court to sit and act as a judge of a High Court for a temporary purpose. But why ad hoc judges are appointed? To reduce long-standing backlog cases and when permanent judges are unavailable. Prior consent of the President of India is needed. Examiners will test our knowledge here only. Remember this point. And retired judge consent is also mandatory. So that's all about the additional judges of a High Court and ad hoc judges of a High Court. Additional judges are newly appointed temporary judge. Ad hoc judges are retired High Court judge temporarily reappointed for a specific judicial purpose. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, click like button and share. Thank you.